8, 10. Yes. Oh, that's someone shooting. Fucking bang. I guess this just doesn't fit either. Complete a fuel mission. I haven't got a fuel truck yet, but there was a way. There's a way to get it free one, isn't there? Oh, I've already got it. Okay. Okay. Sweet. The hell was that? What the fuck? It's like that. I don't think I've ever heard one of them make noises before. Oh bro, it totally is. I have never heard one of them before. No. Pilots can now return to their normal duties. See, that's what I want to do. I want to be doing pilot missions, so I've got to get enough money to afford like a helicopter. I'd rather do a plane, but sweet. Beautiful. I wonder if I should tell them. No, I'll just do my own thing for now. Sweet, that. Or maybe that's why I never heard that kind of buzziness before, because in this server you can put earplugs in. It's kind of dark, so just in case, turn my lights on. But no, I'm just a casual fuel truck driver today, looks like. So I doubt there will be much action. But you never know with Arma life. You just never know. I've spawned in a sort of not very populated place just to be safe. Oh, well, I don't need those anymore. I thought it was getting darker, not lighter. Was it V? Yeah, V to get out. Trying to remember all the controls. Haven't got any money on me, dude. Good. Fuel delivery. be... Oh. Oh. Okay. Losing some frames there. Where's my first one? Okay. Ooh, this thing's fast. Oh. So weird. When you get used to faster cars and then going to a truck. Very different. Just tricky. Well, the speed limit's 60 in towns, but I doubt there'll really be any cops, but you don't really want to go too fast with these trucks anyway. Some more frames, just because I'm in town. Oh jeez. Probably, well that's probably going to be the airport that's by this town. That's always pretty much off-road to go the quickest way. Because there's no real direct route. Oh, I didn't even see that fucking poster when I wasn't looking. Because I really actually should have checked to have plenty of repair kits and stuff. 4 repair kits, 1 refuel. Okay, so not too many, but not too little either. Is there at the airport? I believe people's want that direction. I could be wrong. I may as well stick on the road here. I could actually check the map. Yeah, no, it is the airport, okay. Thought so. Good. You have had 1 rebel token removed for allowing another gang to hold the KOS capture zone. Oh no. I have never even used a rebel token before. I honestly don't know what they do. I think I got told last time, but I can't actually remember what I got told. You can obviously purchase something with them, but pretty sure I only started off with 10 when we captured the KOS zone. So now I only have 9 things I've never used before. Oh no. However will I survive without them? And I'll probably find out later on that they're really useful. That'd be my luck. Oh jeez, it brakes quite good. Don't be going too fast around that corner. Oh, there's a snake in the road. Good old truck driver. It's probably better this way. I'm pretty sure. I don't think that way. Yeah, see, I knew it. Got some memory. Can I get this? Yeah, okay. Tutorial. Left control. That's what I was looking for the other day when I was a cop. I was trying to find the basic controls thing. Yeah. Just because I was trying to remember all the shortcuts as a cop. Because what is it? It is F for sirens, Shift L is lights, spacebar is a boost, but that's in any car really if you buy NOS for it. Shift E and Shift V to get out of the vehicle, and that way you never have to unlock it, so no one should ever really be able to steal your police vehicle. Oh, I should have got through that gate. That's fine. Go this way. Doesn't look like there's anybody here. Oh, there is actually. A helicopter with no one in it and no one by it. It's just a normal standard. Was a hummingbird, I'm pretty sure they're called. So, I don't. Oh, there was someone in it. Oh, I didn't even see it. Let's see what they're doing. Very cool. Glad he's not Stand by me. I don't need your bullshit. So look at that, we travelled, it was just over 2Ks and we got $13,000 for it. We don't get that until we finish all the other missions, but you know, this is level 1 of this job, which is why fuel can be quite a good way to earn money quite quickly. You just have to have your own fuel truck. It's the only really thing you have to buy. And I of course got this one technically free because I spent my skill points on it. But I had something. What did I do here? Something. I do hear something. Can you guys hear that? Okay, it sounds really far away anyway. I'm just being too cautious, really. I'm surprised I even heard that, to be honest. What would be cool is, you know how you have the earplugs in this server? Don't know how many other servers actually have it. I should have went that way. Don't know why I didn't. But to have like it just block out your vehicle, like obviously that'd be sorta OP. To only be able to hear other people's vehicles, but I'll admit it would be very handy. I can still hear it. Or is this just an echo of me or something, isn't it? Is that what I'm hearing? I honestly don't know. Honestly don't. I'll probably find out later it was just me hearing my vehicle, but it sounded far away. But I don't see how that's really possible. But it sounds like it's coming from over there. That general sort of direction. Like it's almost following me, but it's not. Oh, didn't really make that cool. Don't see anything over there. But I haven't got the best eye for seeing things. Especially my settings as they are. Haven't got the best computer in the world. Oh, we're back at Zara. Back where we started. That I definitely heard. Is that just me? Or it sounds like an engine, but it almost sounds like a jet engine at the same time. It must just be me, because I swear I can only hear it sometimes. No, that doesn't make sense. If I only heard it sometimes, then it wouldn't be me. If it was me, I'd be hearing it constantly. You know what I mean. Can I refill here? Oh, here I can. May as well refill just a little bit. Oh, see, now we gotta go further away. Oh, is that a jet? Oh, there's a helicopter right there. Hold on, is that a jet though? Oh, bro, I was totally hearing a jet. I was totally hearing a jet. Fuck, man, I knew I heard something. That's crazy. What was that helicopter doing here though? There's nothing. Oh well, there's another helicopter right there. Jeez. Ooh. Big convoy of stuff. Wow. Oh shit. Something is going down. Oh my god, look at all these fucking people. A jet, 2 helicopters, and like 8 trucks. 8 HEMT trucks. I don't know what the hell they were doing, but I don't want to be a part of it at this point. There's another truck! Oh my god. What the fuck? Don't buzz races and all vehicles, it's distracting and annoying. All players don't buzz races. Oh, there's a race event going on. That's what all the trucks are for. Oh, and the jet must be following them, or the helicopters as well. It's following the race progress. That's why the admin has sent that out. Oh, crazy. That makes sense though, because like no gang would be that big and have, you know, all of those trucks doing something. You know, 3 or 4 I've seen gangs do with trucks and stuff, but no way, nothing like that. Be interesting though, like, pretty sure you can take your own personal vehicles, so I wonder if like, if you had boost and also like perks to like increase your boost time and the boost refill rate, like if it stays during the race, because it would give you such an advantage. Although sometimes the boost is a disadvantage because there's not that many straight roads that you can really use it. You know, pretty much any time I ever boost in a vehicle, I'm then braking immediately. So yeah, very odd. But it's nice that I finally found out what they were all for. I wouldn't have known if it wasn't for that admin message, because I haven't had any other pop up for a race, because I must have joined the server before the race started. It's pretty weird though that like I was able to just kind of be in the middle of a race. Like admins, I would hope, must watch the races really carefully, because I could have purposely hit any of those vehicles. I obviously didn't. I stayed very clearly out of their way. But oh, I hear something else behind me. I don't like it because anyone can message you at any point and say like, stop now or die. And I actually have like a gun and stuff on me, and I doubt I'll win in a fight in a fucking fuel truck against who knows God what kind of gang could be messaging me and how many people. But oh, I should have took that right, I'm pretty sure. I think they both lead to the same way anyway. Yeah, they both lead the same way, it's just, I'll just go off-road for a bit. Instead of making the sharp corners. Oh, wait, no, there's rocks, I better go the slow way. No point in wasting one of my OP kits. Or is this leading me? Oh. Okay, let's go. It's got this dirt road I can go on. Oh, jeez. Sort of oversteered there. Or is that understeer. I don't know. 1 up to 2. Well, we get to see the map, don't we? With these long fuel trips. But this is you know, life, Brian. This is what we're role playing. Life. You know, role playing a fuel truck driver at the moment. Just happen to be pretty heavily armed. Normally when I do fuel truck missions though, I usually deck myself out with at least some like civilian weapons. I think most people should at least have some way. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Oh my god. Fucking hell. Thought I'd be able to make that. Well, I did make it, but only just. Jesus. What the hell was I saying now? I don't even remember. Oh! I do not remember that being there. Is that on the map? Oh, is that relics? No. That's not relics, that's too close. That's like this. Huh. Interesting. I don't think I've seen that before. Though again, I haven't been on this server in a long time. I've only just recently got back onto it. And they do reset it, and they do resets of the... Wait, did I just say that? Bloody losing my mind right here. They reset the server every year or so, I would probably say. Every 6 months maybe? I don't know. Honestly don't know. And in that time they can obviously do updates constantly. Like a lot of locations, just small things like job depots have moved. What is it? Apple fields, peach fields, just little things have moved. For better or worse, really. Typically actually for better, really. Kind of has a nicer layout from what I've seen. What is it? Rebel North and South are both different locations. Actually, I think Rebel North was the same. I think it's just Rebel South that's moved. I think. I'd have to double check that. Must be a police thing, I would think. It's not marked though, like all the police HQs. What's that way? Maybe. It's a G. Oh, okay. Oh, that's like the VTOL helicopter thing, isn't it? Well, it's not actually a helicopter, but it's VTOL. Helicopters have blades. That has like turbines. And yes, I know turbines have blades, but you know what I mean. You know what I mean. You know what I should do with this paycheck from finishing this mission? I should buy NOS and insurance for this vehicle. Yeah. Or do I buy a better fuel truck? Because this isn't that good. Oh, what? No! Oh. Oh, okay. I'm back. I was gonna say. Hey. Okay, this should... Yeah, this is the last delivery. So now we just gotta find a job. Depot. That is close by. Oh! Okay. Just from probably doing the mission. Okay. Don't wanna be there. Is there one here? I don't think there is one at the point now. There isn't. So the closest one's going to be here. Okay. Still a bit of a drive, but we'll get there. So it should be... I got a little under 15,000 for the first 2 jobs, I'm pretty sure. Now I just got 43,000 I think for that. So it should be around about $70,000 to $80,000 again for this. And that's not bad really for someone starting off. This is a level 1 fuel mission in a pretty meh fuel truck. If memory serves me, different fuel trucks do give out different cash amounts. So if your truck can hold more fuel, you can obviously sell more at the fuel stations. Transport more, I should really say. So yeah, we'll see though. Is the fucking thing following me? Is that right above me? Oh, dude. Don't. What the fuck are you doing? Oh, I do not like this. I do not like this one bit. Oh. Oh, fuck off. Isn't that a police station? Okay, I should sort of be safe by a police station, even though I'm pretty sure I'm probably a wanted criminal as well for doing God knows what. Is that a helicopter? Yeah, it is. Fucking sometimes can't tell, sometimes it's just fucking dirt on my screen. Oh dude, he's still like right on me, like what are you doing? I'm just a fuel truck, leave me alone. Fuck off. I don't know what you're doing. Oh, there's a cheat now involved too. Oh my god. Like, I don't know what you're doing, but you're coming on way too slow for me to be thinking you're moving on. Hey, oh my god. There's so much shit. There's a jet. There's like a helicopter. There's like 3 things there. 4, I think I just saw. And then that jet that flew over there. What the fuck is going on? Yeah. I don't know what the fuck is happening. Okay, good, it gets paid for it in my bank. I don't know how much I got. I wasn't looking in the end. Jesus. Fuel delivery. I don't know what I got. Oh, let me quickly check if I can. Receive a fuel delivery bonus. Pay bonus when I complete fuel with the current fuel price. Blah 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 whatever. Okay. What happens if people lose more than 10 losers? You can't lose more than 10. Bro. I have no idea what's happening. Is this maybe the end of the race? People are going towards the end of the race and this guy thought I might have been in the lead, even though I'm not the right kind of truck? I guess that is what's happening. Like, I hope so. I really hope so. Oh, yeah, look. The legal sheriff is complete. Here are the results. First place to DJ Pavel Mikala. Flabbergastic. I'm gonna assume this was the finish, and maybe they came from the other side. I don't know. I don't know. God damn. Oh. Why are you all on the wrong side of the fucking road? Just because you're in a race doesn't mean you should endanger my life. Okay, but that obviously very clearly shows that they must have been a part of the race, though. Oh, do I go left or right? Right. That looks like the better direction. Whoa. What do you want?
Hey, buddy, did you want to jump in the cab for me, man?
No.
It's not a request. No, I'm not asking, I'm telling you.
Oh, why? What did I do wrong?
Just jump out of the cab, mate, and then we can have a conversation.
No, we're not gonna have a conversation. I know how you police officers are. You guys are racist. You guys are racist.
Jump in the car, we can have a civil conversation.
No, man, we can't.
What are you gonna do? We're gonna be pulling you out, mate.
No. Hold on. Okay, look. I'm just an innocent guy now. Look, I've had some bad dealings in the past. I don't want them. Oh, come on.
Tell me you're a hostile, mate. You know.
Look. I've been a bad guy in the past, but I'm just trying to move on with my life.
Is that an illegal weapon on your
No, sir. No, sir. This is my uncle's gun. He said he has a license for it, and he just let me have it while I'm doing these dangerous fuel runs. Okay.
Dangerous fuel runs.
Yep.
You keep standing looking that way, mate. You know. Just let me have.
No, sir, I do not consent to this.
You are wearing a fucking clothing, man.
No. No, my grandma made me this outfit.
Give you the fucking, ask you to put your hands on your head, let me restrain you, let me search you, keep you carrying the group of clothing.
Okay, I forgot the button to put. Where was it?
It's the other way.
What?
What was that?
What was the button to put your hand on your head again? My arms don't work too well.
You know, the protocols would be for me to tell you to put your hands on your head, me restrain you, me search you.
Yes.
But to get your ID in it, it's still a little hard to decide where's your identification.
It's in my pocket. Here you go, sir. Now look, there's going to be some bad things that you're going to read about me, but look, I was held captive. I was held captive, and I was forced to do things I did not want to do.
So, the smart thing would be, while I was supposed to see you, put your gun in your cab. It's a smart thing, but who wants smart?
Sir, I am not a smart man. You have just insulted me.
Get in your car and go before I change my mind. Get in your car and go
okay.
before I change my mind. You have 5 seconds.
Oh my god. I can't believe I actually talked my way out of that. Oh fuck, I heard him following me. I was like, is that a fucking police, thing? All I could see was the black. I couldn't see if it was a police one or not. Oh my god! See, this is what happens when you actually roleplay. Most people they get the lights put on them, and they'll just turn to the side of the road and just hop out of the vehicle and start shooting. You know? But at the end of the day, if he took me in, I would have served my time, and then I would have just got out, and I would have just kept doing what I'm doing right now. I have like acts of terrorism and stuff on me. Like, I've blown up IEDs in this life. I'm sure of it. And he just let me go. Oh my god. Oh, I can't even remember the fucking button. You push to put your hands on your head. Oh my god, I don't know who that officer was. I didn't get his name actually. I didn't even think to put my gun in my truck, but he's so right. Though, if he was smart, even if I had done that, he would have arrested me and then checked my car or even impounded it anyway, and I would have lost. I'm pretty sure what's in there. I'm pretty sure you lose it when it gets impounded. But if he was smart with my history and everything, he would have seen that. Like, he would have searched my vehicle, like, when he saw my history. But I mean, like, I've killed people in the KOS zone. I don't know if those counts towards murders, but I've killed people in the KOS zone too. I'm pretty sure in this life. I'm pretty sure. Wait, oh, I don't know actually. But I know it. I know it. Wait, or did I die? Oh yeah, I died. I don't know if things stay on you if you die actually. Oh. I'm not too sure. Fuck, you know what I should do? I should check. Oh, let me just pull over. What's the fucking... 2 different types of control. How am I supposed to read that? How am I supposed to read that? I'll have to go on their actual website to actually look and see what the buttons are now. Jeez, I cannot believe I got away with that. Like, if things stay on you, even when you've died, I have probably 3 kills on me, 2 acts of terrorism, capturing a KOS zone, what is it, fucking, what's the fucking convoy thing we did, oh, I can't remember what it was called, but yeah, like that's that's some pretty serious shit. Oh, sorry, I was just messaging someone on the phone. I see I lost a fucking another rebel token. I guess it's quite good to just spend them the moment you get them. But like I said, I only got 10 and oh, Jesus. Oh, who's that? Where the fucking... I need to remember or find out what the search button is, like the actual, like, pop up people's names. I can't remember what it was. I thought it was F2, but that brings up that menu. And F3 is earplugs. I don't want that. Oh, I've got a message on my phone again. Oh, someone from my gang, Ling Ling. Disconnected. Well, I'm not actually in the gang at the moment, but I'm a part of the gang. I'm just not in it at the moment. What's the used vehicle yard for? Imagine it's for buying used vehicles. Or maybe selling your vehicle. One of the two. Or both. If I had to guess. A yard for used. Yeah, so you had other vehicles. Yeah. See? Oh shit, which way do I want to go? I want to go right, you see. Oh, that's the guy who I fucking, other guy in the gang. Does it have controls here? No, it doesn't. I'm still not over the fact that he let me go away. He let me keep my gun. He let me keep my rebel clothing. At the end of the day, all he did was check my license and then just let me go. How crazy is that? Oh man. I sort of wanted to run him over when he was right in my truck as well, but VDM, which is vehicle deathmatch, which is basically you hitting another person with your vehicle, is completely not allowed in this server. If you can, like, if you record everything you do when you're playing and someone runs you over, you can send that recording to an admin and they can instantly ban the guy that did it. Like, I imagine there's obviously a lot of slack for people who are purposely running in and out of the road. Like, if anyone's been in an Arma life, in like the main sort of town, city, there's a lot of trolls, you know, because it's sort of the starting town, it's where everyone sort of is, and a lot of new people don't know what to do, don't know how to start their life, don't know how to get money and do the things they actually want to do, like being a gang, like shoot cops, things. So they end up just being trolls, you know, and it sucks, but that is the harsh reality, is that they simply don't know what else to do. Oh my god. Alright, let me turn this off. Let me... Negotiations with police. Wasn't that fun? It doesn't actually tell me anything. I don't know. Try to open. I don't know what that is. Open the roles menu, open the help menu, open the base building, open the basic tutorial. Oh, see, now that starts. I can't read anything in that. So it doesn't help me. But it help me. Key controls. Here we go. See, this is what I was looking for. You know, players, ATMs, player information. They might tell me the stuff I've done. Hands on head, Shift F1. Shift F1. Send text to message target. So that's what people do quite a lot. Send text to recent list. Paycheck status. Is it? I think this is this menu. Yeah. Yeah, okay, so I need to remember that J. Tour menu, that's the shit one. Somewhere out, Shift G. So I'm just reading through everything. So action 3. I need to do that for a mission. User action 3. Hold on. Let me go controls. User action 3. Custom controls. Use action 3. Okay, so these are the things that are free. What the hell do I want to do? I could just do 9. No, 9's a bad one. For healing. F doesn't do anything as a civilian. Oh, shit. Oh. Could do tilde. I don't think that tilde does anything. Oh, let's... Oh, don't you? Couldn't hear anything for a while, but okay. Didn't do anything else, so I'm healed. And what was it? It was J. Yes! Okay, remembering controls. Let's go back down. Okay, hold on, let me look at some other easy quests to do. It was extras. Let's see what the DSI password. There's an insurance broker. Oh, okay. Insurance broker. D-Bay. Buy an item from D-Bay. Shift F2. Let's have a look at that. Resources, materials, vehicle items, weapons. Yes, maybe. Teams. 400,000. Oh my god. What the fuck? This shit's expensive. Oh my god. $1,000,000 for a vehicle security. Oh my god. Can I buy just one material? That's $1,000,000. I think it's only 1,250. Oh my god. Everything is so expensive. Bro, let me fucking purchase that. It's $100. I'll buy that. Okay, sweet, easy. Is it in my inventory? No, wait, that's the wrong inventory, damn it. It's in this inventory. It's not. Oh, it'll be at the D-Pay. Oh yeah, I know it will be where it will be. I don't give a shit about that. So okay, list an item. Okay, how do I list an item? Shift F2. List item. Do I just list the dreaded lumber I just got? So, bro, if I can sell it for $10. No, I'll sell it for $1. I don't care. It must be next. Oh, okay. Okay. Need to keep doing lottos. You need to win lottos. Okay, I don't think there's any other easy ones I can do. Actually, I need to check the game ones. Should be ones. Fake IDs, come on, fake ID. Come on. Oh, I've done that, but I haven't been the one to actually like raise the flag. I've done that twice now, actually. Label. Use special. No, special is just civilian missions. Must be when you prestige. That's for like doing everything in a thing. Must unlock certain ones. Okay, let's keep doing fuel then. Jade brand over here. Technicians must always place prestige quest rooms to the land. Just looking at everything. Send message to target. To text messages. Oh, what was I wanted to check? Yeah, I won. Boost money. Morality is good. Crime rate 1. Huh. So A doesn't do anything. 6, 5, 4, 3. So 5, 4, 6 is what I should make my healing, my actions thing. So hold on. So healing. Delete that. Healing should be, what was it? 4, 5, 6, wasn't it? I think this one 5. And this one 6. So it should be, hold on, let me get out. 4 should be healing. 5, 6, 5, 6. It's not doing anything. It's all the way down the bottom. 1, 4, 5, 6. I just said it. Controls. Oh, I didn't say. Oh, 1. Okay. I didn't save it too. Oh no, not 1 and 2. Gee, no! I'm messing up. So this one should be 6, not 1. This should be 5. And this should be 4. 4 and 5. So 4's drink. 5. 5 is drink. 4 is 8. Oh, what? Re-up? Was that re-up? Oh, god damn it. Use action 1, 8 food. My food hasn't gone up though. 5, 6. Oh, 1's heals. I've just wasted heals. Oh. 4 is healing. 5 drink. 6 is 1. It's because I did it in the opposite order. And what I should have. Why aren't I getting on there? It's not close enough. Okay, I need to buy some things really first. I need to go to a market. Yeah. I need to fuel up really too to make that journey. Okay, no, that's good. We figured out some shit. Holy shit, my food's gone down so much already. Can I eat in the car? Oh, bro, I ate instantly. Oh, man. that's handy. That is handy. 4, 5, and 6. That is handy. I should really write down some important ones. That way I have them in front of me constantly. That's what I wanted to do with like a lot of the cop things when I was doing cop the other day. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to check. Yeah, it's only thing. And he's locked it. He probably doesn't know I'm on. Oh. Did I just crash? You were kicked off the game! What? What? Why? Huh. That's a bit odd. Well, I guess I'll leave it at there for now. Yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around through the whole thing. You watched me narrowly escape getting arrested, and you saw me learning, or relearning, a lot of the controls, and freaking out because a race was going on. Okay, sweet. Thank you. Bye.